Good evening to our viewers in the West, and thank you for joining us. We are going to begin tonight in Tulsa, Oklahoma, where that state's Supreme Court has just ruled President Trump can go ahead with an indoor rally tomorrow without requiring face masks. As many as 19,000 people are expected to attend what will be the largest gathering in the U.S. since the coronavirus pandemic began. The president's choice of Tulsa has set off a firestorm, not just because the city is seeing a spike in coronavirus infections, but because the rally was originally scheduled for tonight, just as millions of Americans celebrate Juneteenth, a holiday marking the end of slavery. Tonight, Tulsa is bracing for a protest after weeks of nationwide demonstrations over racial injustice. Well, today, President Trump took to Twitter, appearing to threaten anyone who might demonstrate there, suggesting they would not be treated well. Well, that warning comes as much of the country paused to commemorate Juneteenth. The holiday has taken on special meaning this year, and there were events held nationwide. In New York, thousands marched across the Brooklyn Bridge, while in Washington, people took a knee at the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. And tonight, there's yet another reminder of the outrage that has sparked a national conversation about race and justice. 3 months after 26-year-old Breonna Taylor was shot and killed in her home by Louisville, Kentucky police, that city's mayor is moving to have one of the officers involved fired. Well, there's a lot of news to get to tonight, and our team of correspondents is covering it all. CBS's Omar Villafranca is going to lead off our coverage tonight from Tulsa. Omar?
Hundreds are lining up here in Tulsa a day before the president's rally. There is no curfew, which that means these people are expected to camp out for the first come, first serve event.
As his supporters lined up in Tulsa, on Twitter, the president issued a warning, saying any protesters, anarchists, agitators, looters, or lowlifes who are going to Oklahoma, please understand, you will not be treated like you have been in New York, Seattle, or Minneapolis. It will be a much different scene. Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt responded to the president's statements.
We will protect your right to peacefully protest. There's a difference, though. When you start destroying someone else's property, then we're going to be there and we're going to be tough on that. We're going to make sure that we hold those folks accountable.
The campaign rally continues as the Sooner State battles a surging coronavirus. Local health officials are concerned. The site of Saturday's indoor rally holds 19,000 people, and the Oklahoma Supreme Court decided today rally-goers do not have to wear masks. But Team Trump will take people's temperatures and hand out sanitizer and masks for those who want to wear them. Less than a mile away, thousands more are expected over the weekend in Tulsa's historic Greenwood district for Juneteenth to celebrate the day slaves were freed. Masks are being handed out for the outdoor festivities, and health officials are encouraging people to wear them, but they're not required.
More than 100,000 people are expected here in downtown Tulsa over the weekend. There will also be plenty of security. Besides local police and sheriff deputies, there will also be 250 National Guardsmen and more than 200 state troopers on standby just in case. Nora?
Omar Villafranca, thank you.